Breathe out. Are you okay?
Yes.
Beta, mobilize and you have to continue. Don't release back to back. Mobilize. If required, give 1 or 2 times SIS. Okay? Dynamic SIS you try. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Turn my side, sir. Hold your hand tightly. Sir, hold it here. Body loose. You don't do anything, sir. I'll do it. Leg straight. Breathe out. Turn that side. Hold your hand tightly. Breathe out. Body straight. Are you okay? Comfortable? Sir, head here. Come up, sir. Up, up. Yes, keep your hand back of your neck. Breathe out. Done. Thank you.